Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our discussion on the basic tutorials of Power BI, and today we are going to look at one of the custom visual, which is Sunburst chart. And in the Sunburst chart, what we are going to do, let's put it on the report first, and then let's add category. So we add category, and then let's add one value, which is sales. So now let's look at it. So this very simply look like donut chart, but what we are going to do is now going to make a difference. So let's add inside the category, let's add subcategory. Now you start seeing that the subcategories come. So this is category, inside that there is a subcategory. So we can see laptops. Click on the laptops and we see laptop percentage. What is the second inside this computer hardware is which is accessorial or accessories, and then we have printers. Then here we have camcorder, which 9%, camera is 19%, out of which camcorder is 9%, and another 9% is camera, and then third one is, let's say, memory cards and smartphones. Inside the mobile phone is 8% overall, not inside that one. And then this, can we add one more? Let's add one more. So this is where you can actually add like laptops. When you have a Core i7, how much it's selling, Core Intel Core i3, i5, how much it is selling, then EDC second generation and all those. So this is the way you can add, and based on what you select, the below one also getting highlighted, and then you can see percentage. And let's add one more brand. And now you start seeing so much of less values now. So typically, let's remove this. Does it look good? Yeah. So now here it's looking much better. So again, we click on the Lenovo, Samsung, how much percentage they cut. So every this act like a separate donut and one over another, and there we can actually see which value is there inside which value, and all those kind of stuff we can also do. So pretty good method if you want to do some kind of analysis out here. Let's see if there are some options which we can explore. Doesn't seem much. We can actually switch on legends and title on and off. So not very many options, but this is itself is very powerful. One donut inside another donut, and then you can see the percentages whenever you are clicking, and then you can get other visual filter on that. So go ahead and add this visual from the marketplace, and try it out, and let us know if you want us to work on some other visuals. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Thank you.